Um, Hi y'all, I'm back for another video. This is my account. If y'all want to donate me something or something, you can finally donate Roblox. What? Robux? Just like this. I do not have any, so you can finally send Robux. You all can add me if you wanna send something or just wanna add me. I need some friends. As you can clearly see, I do not have friends. I'll join a private server for a bit. Wait a second. Bye. Just wait if you want. I'm finally back. I joined it. I'm so laggy. As you can see, I'm moving my thumb and it ain't working. Um, and for today's video, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make this body. If y'all want it. If you don't, just don't. Please. I don't, and if you hate this video or just don't like it, please do not report it. Please, I'm begging you. So I'm gonna go take the things off so y'all can see how I do it. Okay, so I'm back. I took off all of the things and the body too. I don't know why I'm still doing this. Um, okay, yeah, it works. So I'm gonna get some tutorial. This is the things that you need to make it tall. If you wanna make it tall or not. Wait a sec. First, you're gonna click on body and scale. The height is supposed to be like this. I don't know why I made it like that. And the head is for headless or core blocks. You just need to text it like this. I know I have a boring keyboard. Like that. I typed it. And see, it works. I'll get headless too. Had headless. There I have it. You didn't see that. Yeah, y'all didn't see that. Okay? So this is how you get headless and thing for block. I forgot what that thing for the body is, so I'll just view this. Yeah, the core blocks is that. I'll just use the core blocks. Cause oh my god, I'm so laggy. How? Okay. This is actually one of my cosplays. And yeah, let me just wait for this a bit. I'm gonna okay naman. The body is like this. Cla classic block. I'll try it on for y'all. That's what it's supposed to look like. I'll show you this. This is the name. You can type it in or just try to find it. And the things I'm using is just the normal things like this block left hand. I think I have that, right? Okay, there I have the block left hand. I'll just do some animations. I'll just copy this. And the animations I was using were just the normal thing. Okay, and this. I just used some Adidas things and the thing. So laggy. I already did a thing for the avatar. So like yeah, I don't think y'all needed it. Oh, this is the thing for you to get like that. Don't ask why I'm clicking it. Um, okay there. I'll just okay, I hearted that. So here, that's how you get the body. And if you just wanna get like this kind of body, you just need to take off this. You just need to remove that and go to body again. Go to scale and click or 6. There, that's how you get this kind of body. You just don't have the things on how you walk like that. I'll be doing some more tutorials if y'all want. I like these kind of avatars. That this is actually one of my girl avatars. If y'all want to see the girl avatar, oh my god, I'm so bad. This is kind of a thing, a Valentine's thing. Do you like it? So yeah, I'll be ending the video from here. So bye bye. Love y'all. I wish you all have a good day today. And thanks for watching the video. So yeah. If you all need any more tutorials on catalog avatar or something else or whatever game on Roblox, I think if I know it, I can make a tutorial. If y'all want a evade series or just evade my evade things of me like raging or something, if you all want that, you can comment if you want it or something, or you just want me to make another tutorial. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna cut this video so I can post it. So like, y'all, bye bye, I love y'all.